General Motors is in freefall. In a shocking revelation, GM has reported a staggering $5 billion loss directly tied to skyrocketing material and supply chain costs fueled by former President Donald Trump's aggressive tariff policies. What was once touted as a strategy to bring manufacturing back to America has instead thrown one of its largest industries into chaos. The losses stem from a combination of inflated steel and aluminum prices, supply disruptions with international partners, and declining export demand as trade allies retaliate with their own tariffs. According to company insiders, factories in Michigan, Ohio, and Missouri have slowed production, while layoffs and furloughs are being quietly rolled out to cut costs. The automaker's latest earnings call sent shockwaves through Wall Street. Investors were blindsided as GM's CEO admitted that tariff-related expenses had spiraled out of control. The company now faces what analysts are calling an existential threat to its global competitiveness. The auto giant is being forced to delay electric vehicle development and cancel several upcoming product lines. The ripple effects go far beyond GM suppliers, dealerships, and parts manufacturers that rely on GM's massive operation are bracing for financial turmoil. Thousands of jobs are at risk, and economists warn that if the situation isn't addressed swiftly, it could ignite a broader recession in the manufacturing sector. In Washington, lawmakers from both parties are pointing fingers. Critics of the tariffs argue that this is exactly what they warned about, a short-sighted trade war strategy with no exit plan. While Trump's allies defend the policy as necessary for long-term gains, the growing backlash from industry leaders tells a different story. Meanwhile, rival automakers in Europe and Asia are surging ahead, benefiting from fewer restrictions, streamlined global partnerships, and access to cheaper materials. The damage to America's auto reputation, built over a century, is mounting fast. As GM bleeds billions, the broader message is clear. The tariffs meant to protect American industry may be dismantling it instead. With every dollar lost and job threatened, the pressure is building for a dramatic course correction. For now, General Motors is sounding the alarm, and the entire industry is listening.